So, if you've been looking to detoxify your body, but you just don't know how to start, what to do, what protocols work, what protocols don't work, the supplements to use, look no further because I've got you covered. I've been talking about this for a while, but I've put together our detoxification reset bundle where we will be going into the colon, the liver, and clearing parasites. Extremely important, and we do it in that order for specific reasons. And I've put together the bundle because yes, you can do these detoxifications individually, but you're not going to get anywhere near the results that you would get if you put them back to back. Also, if you start clearing things out of the liver before the colon's ready, if you start putting parasites out of the body before the colon and liver are ready, then you can get big detoxification reactions, also called die-offs, Herxheimer reactions, where you feel a hell of a lot worse before you feel better, and it can lead to a lot of problems, complications, which I don't want you to go through. So we do it in this order: colon, because you've got years of mucoid, plaque, debris in your intestines that have been building up. There's research out there that shows Dr. Kellogg, for example, had 40,000 patients that went to see him. Only 20 of them, he's a surgeon, only 20 of them needed surgery after he cleaned their colon. And the amount of mucoid plaque and debris that come out was sensational. So we like to clean the colon because that allows, obviously we're getting rid of debris, mucoid plaque, all this building undigested food from years of poor food, processed foods, alcohol, antibiotics, stress. That can be released, and that means we've got a nice clear pathway for then when we clear the liver. And we've got toxins, sludge, liver stones, gallbladder stones, all this would be coming out the liver. Most people's livers are only working at 10 to 20% of their optimal capacity, which is shocking, right? That's why people are super tired. They've got blood sugar issues, hormone problems, their skin looks terrible, they can't sleep. All these issues are going on, and a hell of a lot more. So we clear the colon, then we clear the liver, and we start to allow that to be processed out in the body, because once the liver starts clearing, it's got a nice clean colon to remove the waste from, and then we can start going into parasites. And having a clean colon, a clean liver means that when we start to clean parasites, to kill off parasites, because they're going to be releasing toxins and debris themselves, it means the liver can then process those toxins. The liver doesn't clear toxins, it turns them into molecules that we can excrete. And so when the parasites are dying, they're releasing their toxins, obviously boiling and pooing in you as well. It means that the liver can be healthy enough to clear those toxins, so you're going to get more out. So you're going to be able to actually move more. It means your digestion will be better, improved, because your liver's working better. Your hormones will be more balanced. You're going to have more energy, more vitality, and so when the parasites are killed, your liver can process that better, and then your colon can release that better as well. So those channels working together, I mean, doing these detoxifications together is the optimal way to do it, and that's why I put this bundle together. And so, yeah, you can do them individually, but I highly recommend you do them back to back. It's going to be the best way to do that. And that's why I've put together 3 different options when it comes to doing these detoxifications. I've got the Revive Yourself membership, which goes back, which is what I recommend doing, because it gives you September, October and November's masterclasses. You get instant access to them. Previously, you got access to the masterclasses, and then you'll have live access to the colon, the liver, and the parasite cleanse in January, February and March. And so I recommend doing that, because it's going to give your body, you're going to be able to put your body in the best possible state to go through the cleanses. Otherwise, I've got the reset, the detox reset bundle, and that's going to be the colon cleanse, which we start on January 26th. We then got, that's the 5-day colon revival. Then we've got the 6-day liver revitalization. That's on 16th of February, and then on March 14th we're going to start the 30-day parasite restoration. So you can do that bundle, and we get back to back. And I've also got them individually at early bird prices. So you've got option 1, which is the membership option, option 2, which is the detoxification reset bundle, or you got them individually. Now, if you're interested in this, put the word detoxification below, or if you're listening on Instagram, to send me a message with the word detoxification, and I'll give you the link to go through all the different options. But you know, I'm super excited to bring this out because it's something I've been wanting to do for a while. All my new methods and protocols that I've been putting in place with my one-to-one clients, things I've been working on myself the last 6 to 9 months. So this is going to be the most advanced detoxification protocols that I put together, and we combine the physical with the mental and emotional as well, because as we go through this, your mind is going to release negative emotions as well as the physical body releasing things like toxins, chemicals, plastics, VOCs, flame retardants from your colon, from your liver, parasites, and also your brain's going to be detoxifying as well. So these are different options. If you're interested, I said before, detoxification in the comment section below, or inbox me detoxification and we'll get to it. But I highly recommend doing these in either with the membership or in the reset bundle, because that's how you're going to get the most bang for your buck, because your detoxification channel is going to be opened, and once they're opened, it's going to allow the most removal of toxins, debris, and things that we just don't want in our body that are constantly building up every day of being in this toxic world. Anyway, I hope that helps. Lots of love, and really looking forward to bringing you these masterclasses. It's going to be a game changer for so many of you. I know. Lots of love. Speak soon.